No, I think it's gonna be really light. It looks like it's heavier light.
It's not bad. It's heavy, but
Yeah. There are bees, by the way, that are on the outside right here. Not really afraid of bumblebees.
cool.
So we're installing a bee's nest. What's it called? A beehive on the roof of the building.
They'll fly 5 kilometers just to go to a flower, then come back 5 kilometers and do that like 20 times a day.
You ever been stung?
Like them getting out.
Yeah, of course. They tend to bump you before they want to sting you.
Mm-hmm.
So they'll ram you, and then you get the picture and
I don't believe him.
change your behavior. The screen down here is the main one for air. This is just a...
Is this guy stuck to it?
No. This might be a bit too young of a bee to fly. Oh, no, she can coast. Because they kind of have to learn how to fly, kind of like we have to learn how to walk.
Oh yeah, that's a little baby. Because it's all yellow.
You can do it. And it's off. I hate bumblebees. Oh, these are honeybees.
These are honeybees.
Okay.
And they're smaller, they're less...
No, I mean, I hate anything that flies and stings. Oh, sweet. We get the hash smoking part. Okay, tough crowd. I'm out of here.
But you just want to make like a bit of smoke that's not too hot, so you're not burning.
What does that do? Does that get them in or out?
Yeah, there's a lot of different reasons for it. It's like a good way to hurt them. Oh, there we are. So they're gonna come out slowly. It's not like a dramatic. See, they're gonna start slowly exploring. So there's 10 of these frames, and if we just gave them a box, they'd build kind of the same thing, but the frames allow us to keep it a bit organized. So we tend to want to clean it off, and
Oh my god.
like this is only about a week old.
No, they've already done all that work.
Like, you know how they bring back the nectar, but it's too liquidy and it'll ferment if they don't make it evaporate. So they'll heat up the hive and basically condense the nectar into honey, and when it's 20% humidity, I don't know how they know, but they know, then they put a little coating of wax.
That's 20% humidity in there.
Yeah.
So, I also have a fear of lightning. I'm going to be ducking out of here in a couple of seconds. Okay, that's amazing.
Wow.
Okay, this is we're getting to the heart of the hive. On the sides they put the food, but in the center they put all the babies.
Oh yeah.
So like these little larvae. What happens is the queen is the mom,
crazy.
and
Oh my
she's just
God.
laying eggs, and she has to put her bum into the bottom of the cell to put an egg. So every single one of these cells has a little egg. Sorry, not the egg becomes a larva. The larva becomes like a bee, and then the bee hatches out.
That's crazy.
So what are you doing right now by taking them out?
I'm looking for the queen.
Looking for the queen.
Yeah. Okay, this is really cool.
No.
You just gotta not move, and they won't even notice you. If you see all these cells, this is the final stage.
Oh look,
of-
there's one coming out. There's one coming out.
Yeah, they're being
Yeah,
born.
right there.
No
See,
way.
that's the scratch its way out.
And then, okay, guys.
It's being born right now.
Yeah. Oh, there's two. There's one there and one
It eats
there.
the casing of the thing, right?
Yeah, and all it, see this one?
Oh, there's actually a
That
lot
one
of
was
being
just born. Like they're all really small. They can't fly yet too. Like you can pick them up, and they're really stunned.
They can't even sting you or anything? Like in
Not
this
yet.
stage?
No, they're still too young. No queen.
These here?
Yeah. Do you see her?
This one
Is
right
it this
here.
one?
Nope.
No, that's a
That
that's
thing.
a drone.
Nope.
It's not that one?
Nope.
Sorry, I'm gonna come around you.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Oh, there she is.
Yep.
Oh, there you are.
Oh, well, you didn't tell me she looked like a maggot. Cool, that's the queen bee.
Well, I was expecting it to be big.
This is the screen that the bees can go through, but the queen can't. Like on all these empty frames, they'll start building slowly little bits of wax, and then like it'll slowly get to this, then they fill it with honey. So I can clean this off. All this wax is-
We're gonna have to name our hive too.
You boil it? Sticky?
Yeah, I'm not too.
Not really.
I've never really done it.
No?
Put it in a cheesecloth and just have like a solar thing, and then it melts, and all the impurities get caught in the cheesecloth.
In the cheesecloth? Yeah, that's a great idea.
It's in a basin underneath.
Cool. I'll try that.
Yay!
It's amazing. Right, no one slide, no one dies. Have good people.
What is this? Nothing. Put it in for a mold.
Yeah? It'll work?
It's
Let's
just
do it.
The losses are so huge on that. It's better to have more in the soil. And it gets filtered through all the way to the flower.